Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making Karaage Japanese style fried chicken. Karaage is one of the most popular foods in Japan. You can get freshly cooked karaage absolutely anywhere, from izakaya bars, local diners, bento shops, and even at convenience stores. No wonder our karaage recipe video that was originally published in 2012 has been one of our most watched videos of all time. Today we will show you how to make basic karaage and some more flavor variations using different seasonings at the end. These are the ingredients of basic karaage. We are using chicken thighs, but you can also use chicken breast if you like. For more information about the ingredients and complete recipe, please visit our website japanesecooking101.com. First, we are going to cut each chicken thigh into 3 to 4 pieces. Karaage means deep-fried food with no batter in Japanese. Although chicken is the most often used ingredient, you can also make karaage with seafood such as fish or squid. Next, we are going to season the chicken. Freshly grated ginger and garlic will make it very flavorful. Add to the bowl and add sake, soy sauce, and salt. And mix. And let it sit for half an hour to 1 hour. Mix all-purpose flour and katakuriko potato starch or cornstarch. Mixing the starch will make the crust light and crispy. Coat the marinated chicken pieces with the flour mixture. You can add some peppers or spice in the flour mixture to add a little kick, which we will show you later. Heat the frying oil at medium-high heat, about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and deep fry chicken for 6 to 8 minutes or until it's cooked through. Any neutral flavored oil that's suited for deep frying will be fine for this. Serve immediately with a lemon wedge. Here's one of the flavor variations. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of curry powder and ground black pepper to the flour mixture, and cook the same way. The curry-flavored fried chicken is a great appetizer with beer or your favorite drinks. Or simply serve karaage with Japanese mayonnaise sprinkled with some shichimi red hot pepper on the side. This super easy dipping sauce can be made in no time and it's so good. Try it next time.
美味しい。美味しいね。